Welcome to the channel. I'm Serge.
I'm Joel.
And what are we doing today?
We're putting a selectable electronic locker in the front of this truck.
This one back here.
I think it looks absolutely epic. Looks pretty good. Quality looks good. Boxing was nice. Instructions, full wiring.
Top quality. Feels solid. Why did you want to go selectable locker?
Just get up those trails that you can't quite make it.
So why not just go spool then?
Good question.
You stumped me.
No, it's nice to have drivability or going fast and whatnot. So
yeah, the truck handles way better with the open front diff.
for sure. Yeah.
At speed, even just down the trail and everything.
Even steering and also.
Yeah. This is Joel's truck. We did a full walk around video 2 years ago. I'll have a link down below. Okay, so we're gonna get into the install here, and then we'll get into some of the details with you guys shortly here. So let's go.
I got a quicker way to put these on.
Well, things are going pretty good on this side. If you guys are wondering, half the hub didn't come out. It's stuck on the shaft. Good news is he bought new shafts. He's got some 35 splint shafts and some drive slugs. All right, so before we put the gears in, you gotta drill a hole somewhere.
Yeah. So she's gonna come out right about here, and then I'll go back and follow the brake line up into the cab.
So to put this in, you'll need a M12 by 1.5.
Anti-rotation tabs may need to be ground or filed to ensure free play.
That's these. So this tab and this tab hits against the case up here and here. These are hitting before this bearing seats. So you got to grind the face of them down, and TRE recommends that there's like about 1 millimeter of play, I think. Okay, so anybody installing this, please note that these brackets are not centered. I don't know if you can tell in the video here, the center line is further back from these brackets. So you need to put this in the way we're doing it, with the wire coming out the front, coming out this way. All right, so mission accomplished. Show them the play there. See how there's just a little bit of play, you can hear that? The tabs are ground down enough. So we got backlash and everything done. So now we're just going to put the actual bearings on, press them on, and put all the new parts in. So this is a good time to share a discount code with you guys. So if you want a good deal on TRE products, especially a front locker for a late 80s Dana 60, I'm going to drop it down in the comments. You go ahead and you can get yourself a good deal. What do you think?
Oh, yes. Didn't realize you were talking to me.
The locker's in there. Joel's working on that side. I'm going to show you some of the other mods going into this truck. 35 spline outers. Drive slugs. Might as well while the locker's going in. He just had stock outers, which is a bit of a weak link. The hubs are weak links, so this is a big improvement. Let's do a comparison. Look at it, people. 30 spline, 35 spline. Smaller, bigger. That's actually like a significant difference.
And even like the taper, so.
All right, all done. We're going for a test drive, but it's pretty late. It's dark out there. Lock her up. Yeah, 100% spinning. It works. You didn't make it up there. It works. It's dark out. We'll try to get you guys some footage in the daytime.
Yeah. But for now, we go home.
Oh. No, that one's not spinning. Hold on, hold on. Okay, we got a tire not spinning here. This tire's spinning. All right. So what you do is you lock her up.
This is so easy to do, a kid can do it.
Up?
Yeah.
Locked.
And you still don't make it up.
He made it!
Do you recommend a TRE locker?
Yes, I do.
What's next for this?
Next, a supercharger and a roll cage. Yeah, subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit us up on Patreon.
No, we don't have one of those.
Just send me some money. I don't know.